These next two are going to be find the cut volume and the cost of the concrete pour. So I've made different worksheets for each of those. For the volume, you're going to cut straight down all the way down to the footing depth. And so it's going to be the width of the strip footing times the depth. For each segment, you're going to get that from the structural foundation schedule. From the depth, you'll go to the section views, measure from the bottom of the strip footing to the top of the grade, the ground, and use that for the depth. I would do it in both directions just to be sure. In other words, the east-west and the north-south. And then for each segment, you multiply the width times the depth. Once you've got all those, you add them up, and that's your total cut volume. There will be fill later on, but we're just looking at the cut volume. The trencher is going to get a certain amount. And in reality, it's going to be a little bit wider than that, but that's what we're going to use for it right there. For the cost of the concrete pour, that's the volume of the strip footing itself plus the volume of the stem wall. That gives you a total volume of the concrete. So for each segment, you'll take the volume plus the volume to get the total. And then you're going to multiply that by the cost per cubic foot. That one you get from the assignment guide. Okay? And so the total cost is the total volume times the cost per cubic foot, total volume, add them up. Now what you're going to submit is going to be your PDF file. Remember that when you download or print, you need to do the entire workbook. And remember to get all your formatting looking really good, really easy to read, well formatted in tables.